Today we will review how ShiftWorx Plus can deliver an exceptional amount of insight from your machine data. ShiftWorx Plus increases the capability of ShiftWorx by adding jobs, parts, work orders, and operators to the narration. With this addition, you are able to collect machine time, unit count, scrap overlaid with the job, operator, and any relevant statuses, which are then correlated in time by minute, hour, shift, day, and more. The resulting captured data provides for a tremendous amount of information and can unlock incredible insight by using the powerful business intelligence tools available today. As we look at the ShiftWorx view, you can quickly see that there's a great deal of activity being displayed. Analyzing this activity over time unlocks insight into trends, areas of opportunity for utilization, performance comparison between shifts, operators, cells, and so much more. The ShiftWorx Enterprise Reporting Connector provides the ability to connect any business intelligence tool to analyze the ShiftWorx data. This includes Microsoft's Power BI in our example today, Cognos, Looker, Click, Tableau, Excel Power Query, and many more. Let's dive into an example of a fruit production company. This is based on actual data, but it has been sanitized. The first tab displays production data. The BI tools provide a very powerful means to filter and sort data to quickly compare and contrast information. Let's select only the day shift for canning line number 2. We can immediately see the information change dynamically. We can immediately see the production by product displayed in several ways. Shift efficiency and changeover time. The dynamic nature of these reports allows us to select an item. If we select GG Banana as an example, we can gain a focus on it and we can drill deeper into that data to gather more detail. You can collapse days into months, months into years, which gives you a greater deal of clarity, insight, and granularity in your data. The sky's the limit with these tools. Create reports in a way that's powerful, visual, and easy to understand and use for your audience. Publish them to your intranet, mobile devices, and access them from anywhere. Extending the power of data collection from ShiftWorx through these powerful reporting tools will provide a new level of insight into your business. Contact us now to discover more about these amazing tools and how you can leverage them on your shop floor.